Did you know that S&P 500 in the last week has hit the all-time high, made a record high? If you recall the technical analysis of S&P 500 on this channel, way back in April or May 2023, when there was a major breakout, we discussed about two possible long-term targets. The first target has already been attained. Is S&P 500 is heading towards the second target? We will explore this very aspect in this video. If we look at the fear and greed index, it currently reads at 74 when the market closed in the last week. So fear and greed index is in greed zone. What is next in the S&P 500? So in this video, we'll undertake a comprehensive multi-time frame technical analysis of S&P 500, understand the price action, and I will try to explain the price action which will prepare to navigate the market in the upcoming week. I am D K Sinha. Friends, do not forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell for updates. Let's begin. This is the monthly price chart of S&P 500 index from the US stock market. This index is known to give a huge return after it gives a breakout of a rounding bottom pattern. Can you see here? It has given a breakout of this rounding bottom pattern way back in April 2013. And see the phenomenal return it has given since then. Then there was a bear market of 2020, which is known as a COVID bear market. And again, it formed the similar bottom and gave a breakout of this earlier top and then gave a very phenomenal return. Again, there was a bear market of 2022 where it fell significantly lower. And now again, it has given a breakout of this rounding bottom pattern. Based on this pattern, we had arrived the first target of 5,765. And now next target is nearly 6,500, to be very precise, 6,495. So will it attain the second target? First target has already been attained. Let us look at the weekly price chart. We came up with the video on S&P 500 on this channel when there was a bear market and the price structure turned to higher highs and there was a narrowing price action. The trading range was narrowing and it formed the symmetrical triangle kind of chart pattern which gave a breakout over here. And this was the turning point for S&P 500. This was the point of rejection. It corrected and then gave a breakout. And this was the all-time high then. And then it gave a breakout over here. So based on this chart pattern, the next potential target is obviously 6,495. In the last week, it made an all-time high of 5,822.13 and finally closed at 5,815.03. Thereby, it was bullish by 1.11% on a week-to-week basis. Now, coming back to the price action in the recent time, let us go to the daily price chart to understand the recent price action. Can you see here? The market structure is higher highs and higher lows. It earlier gave a breakout of this cup and handle kind of continuation chart pattern. It consolidated for several days and again it has come out of the consolidation band. If you see this trend line, price is taking support. Once again the price has bounced back from this critical support and this trend line is acting as a possible resistance. So considering the price action, if we consider the target based on this continuation chart pattern, cup and handle kind of chart pattern, where is the potential first target based on this chart pattern? The next potential target comes at 5,000 991, but it has a potential to go to 100% expansion level of 6,212. Targets of any chart pattern is a minimum expected objective, which has been emphasized multiple times on this particular channel. We have a complete tutorial series, Zero to Hero, in a separate playlist on this channel, whereby if you are a beginner in the stock market, you can start learning and become an expert in the technical analysis to analyze the stock market. If we summarize the analysis done in this video, what is the outcome of the analysis? The momentum in the US stock market is great. And S&P 500 is targeting towards the second target of the rounding bottom chart pattern that arrives at nearly 6,500. There can be a minor corrections. In an overall uptrending market, when the market is in markup phase, there will always be a correction or a formation of a corrective wave and then impulsive. Correction happens because the price gets overextended and the price corrects to perform the mean reversion. And once the mean reversion is complete, then it makes a newer high. So what is your opinion about S&P 500? Will it attain the second target as discussed on this channel? If yes, please do write your comment. If you think that it cannot reach to the second target, even then your comments are very important. Ultimately, when we interact among ourselves about the stock market, we are better prepared for the stock market. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to meet you very, very soon.